What's up guys, and welcome back to Tech Plant. Today I have a rare opportunity to show you something pretty spectacular. This right here is a queen paper wasp. I actually found this wandering around in my house, so I'm going to try and rehabilitate it and then we can release it back into the wild. Some of you might be freaking out right now in disgust or literally think these are demons, but I promise you these are really awesome for your garden. These guys will literally fly over to your garden, hunt down a caterpillar, pick them up and take them back to the nest. It's actually incredible to see and it looks kind of funny. I know I always have an issue with cabbage moths kind of decimating my leafy greens, but I've witnessed several times on several occasions wasps flying up and just taking those little caterpillars and flying off with them. So they're really a godsend when it comes to vegetable gardening. As long as you're not disturbing the nest or going too crazy, most of these insects are actually pretty harmless and they won't just sting you for no reason. That being said, I do have this inside of a bag and it is not loose in my house. I fed this thing some sugar water just because I wanted to kind of rehabilitate her and give her some more energy because she is about to start a nest somewhere near my home. It's really crazy to see her up close. She has like these two big eyes. It looks like almost like three simple eyes on top of her head. It's crazy how like accepting she is of this little needle with the sugar water in. She's almost kind of chasing it down. She must be pretty hungry. Again, I found her in my house, so I don't know how long she's been in here walking around, but she's probably pretty thirsty. So it makes sense. Well guys, this was a pretty short video, but I just thought I'd share with you how cool these things are and how they're beneficial to your garden. As always, may your plants grow strong and healthy, and see you next time.